everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make some sugar-free ginger cookies. And what you need is some flour, an artificial sweetener that's white sugar, an artificial sweetener that's brown sugar, and some baking soda, some ground ginger, some ground cloves, 1 egg, some ground cinnamon, and 12 tablespoons of melted butter. Alright, and then we need 2 1/4 cup of flour. And with measuring stuff out, you want to pour some into the measuring cup, and then level it out, and then adjust it until it's at the measurement that you need it to be at. And then there's 2 cups. And I need to add 1/4 cup. And there's 1/4 cup. Alright, and then we need 1 cup of the artificial white sugar. And with the artificial white sugar, I'm using Stevia. And then there's 1 cup right there. Yeah. Alright, and then we need 2 teaspoons of ground ginger. Okay, how is that supposed to happen? But okay, then there's 1 teaspoon. And there's the second one. Alright, and then we need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And there's 1 teaspoon. And then we need 3/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And here's the 1/4 teaspoon. Alright, and then we need a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves. And there's a 1/2 teaspoon. Alright, and then we need 1/4 cup of the artificial brown sugar. And there's about 1/4 cup. And then we need 1 tablespoon of water. And then we need 1 egg. And the trick to getting this egg open is by cracking on the side like this, and there should be a crack like that. And then we are going to split it open. Alright. And then we need to add the 12 tablespoons of melted butter. And then we are going to mix all of that together. And with mixing stuff up, you want to try and get it as mixed up as good as you can get it. And once all those ingredients are mixed together, it should look something like that. And then we are going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And for this part, we will need a cooling rack and some cookie sheets, and then the cookie dough. And a spatula. And then, if you want, you can use a cookie scoop or an ice cream scoop to scoop the dough into balls, but you don't have to. You can use it if you want to. Alright, and then we're going to take some of the dough and then form it into a ball. And you can make the cookies however size you want them to be. Alright, there's a ball of cookie dough. And then we're going to put it onto cookie sheets. And then with this, you want to leave a little bit of space between the edges. And then we're going to make another cookie dough ball. And with these cookie dough balls, I try to make them to be about the same size. Right, and then we also need to leave a little bit of space between the cookies too. Alright, and then we are going to keep on forming the dough into balls until all of the dough is used up. And once all the dough is used up, it should look something like this. And then we are going to bake in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. Or until the cookies are golden brown. When the cookies are all done baking in the oven, they should look something like this.